This video I'm going to show you how to use Cash App with Apple Pay. That means no more carrying cards around, just tap and pay straight from your iPhone. Let's dive right in. So first things first, open your Cash App on your iPhone and make sure you're logged in. You'll need your Cash App card activated to use it with Apple Pay. If you haven't activated your Cash card yet, check out my other video on how to activate your Cash App card. I'll leave it in the description down below. Alright, once your Cash App card is ready, the next step is to add it to your Apple Wallet. Here is how. First, open the Cash App and tap the Card tab at the bottom of the screen. You should see your Cash App card here. Now look at the option that says Add to Apple Wallet and tap on that. Follow the prompts on your screen. You might need to confirm some details and then your Cash App card will be linked to your Apple Pay. Now that your Cash App card is linked to Apple Pay, you're ready to start using it. Here is how you do that. When you're at a store or anywhere that accepts Apple Pay, just double click the side button on your iPhone or Apple Watch to bring up Apple Pay. Choose your Cash App card from the wallet if it's not already selected. Hold your device near the payment terminal and that's it. You just paid using Cash App through Apple Pay. Not only can you use it in stores, but you can also use your Cash App card through Apple Pay for online purchases. When you're checking out, just select Apple Pay as your payment method and make sure your Cash App card is selected in your Apple Wallet. Now I have a quick tip for you. If you're having any issues with your Cash App card to Apple Wallet, make sure your Cash App and iOS are up to date. Also, double check that your Cash card is activated. You can always try to remove the card and adding it again if that's necessary. And there you have it. That's how you can use Cash App with Apple Pay for quick and easy payments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. See you, bye.